Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset your picture settings on Samsung ViewFinity S7. Let's begin. Now, in order to get into that option, first you have to navigate into menu by clicking the power button on the back, going up and clicking menu. Here, you go to picture, and instead of scrolling all the way down, you simply have to go one up. And this gets us to the very last position on the picture settings, which is picture reset. You can click it, set to yes, and click. And now the picture settings have been reset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.